Hey everybody, here we are with another exciting product, and here is the new ROG Keris series. Inside the box for the wired version you'll find the mouse, the Paracord cable, an extra pair of Omron micro switches, good for at least 1 million clicks, extra PTFE mouse feet, stickers, QSG, and the warranty booklet. The wireless version obviously means the Paracord cable can be detached, and 2 extra sets of magnetic side buttons are included. The ergonomic shape was developed by working closely with professional FPS gamers. They provided valuable feedback for numerous prototypes. The final product is what gave them the most comfort and control. Some other important considerations for hardcore competitors are durability and lightweight. The Keris features PBT left and right buttons for extra durability and more resistance against shine. Perforated mice are all the rage, but we've taken a slightly different approach. You can't see it from just simply looking from the exterior. That's because we've done it from the inside. We lowered the weight of the Keris to 62 grams and the wireless version to 79 grams, while retaining solid structural integrity and protection from dust and sweat. To make the Keris wireless your own, you can pick from any of these 2 extra colors as your side buttons. You can keep the whole mouse pure matte black, or mix it up with electropunk or grey. Since the side buttons are magnetic, it's a cinch to swap them out. In terms of feel, the push-fit switch socket lets you customize the micro switches. Maybe you want a different feel, or maybe it's time to move on. The difference is, when the time comes, only the switches need to retire, not the whole mouse. The build quality was designed and built to last. I'm not going to perform a smash test using a hammer, but I'd be impressed if you could make this mouse squeak at all. The only sound coming out of it will be the nice and crisp clicks. Despite the solid feel, the Keris is attached by a Paracord cable and floating on pure PTFE skates, so it's as light and fast as esports pros need it to be. When used as a wired mouse, the Paracord material prevents drag and snags. The cable itself is so light and flexible, you forget that you're still attached. Attention to detail is even found on the 100% Teflon mouse feet. The ROG Omni Mouse Feet have rounded edges which are 25% smoother than other mice, making movements in any direction effortless. Tri-mode connectivity lets you stay connected with convenience. We understand that these days, a mouse may be shared between multiple devices, a gaming desktop at home, plus a laptop and mobile device on the go. The Keris Wireless offers both 2.4 GHz or Bluetooth for wireless connections, plus wired USB. When fast charging via USB, just topping up the battery for 15 minutes will give you around 12 hours of gameplay. On a full charge, expect up to 78 hours of battery life, 56 with RGB on. Despite the long battery life, a powerful 16,000 dpi sensor is at the heart of the Keris, with 400 IPS and 1000 Hz polling rate. The sensitivity can be fine-tuned without going into software by using DPI on the scroll. Holding the DPI button and scrolling the wheel will adjust the sensitivity. The RGB color changes accordingly to let you know visually where you're at. As mentioned earlier, the push-fit switch socket prolongs the life of your mouse and lets you customize the switches. This isn't new, but I'll tell you what's new. We're excited to unveil the new ROG Micro Switch. This is what will give you those nice, crisp, clicking sounds. ROG has designed this from the ground up to give you what we think has the best feel and sound. Fingers can be incredibly sensitive, so inconsistencies could be detrimental to gameplay if one button requires slightly more actuation force than the other. ROG micro switches are sorted to ensure our mice have superior consistency for click resistance. Not only do we ensure the resistance is consistent for every switch, we make sure best matching pairs go into every Keris. This level of quality control enables us to be at least twice as precise when compared to the industry standard. Gaming mice are clicked about 8,000 times a day, so a great deal of time and engineering went into these switches to make them durable. One thing that helps is gold-plated electrode junctions. To put it simply, these switches will last at least 70 million headshots. Okay, well, that also really depends on your accuracy. What you don't need skill for is using Armory Crate. It's easy and intuitive. Customize your Keris settings such as lift-off distance, button assignments, macros, lighting, or even your whole gaming system. The ROG Keris comes in both wired and wireless editions. Pick one and game on a mouse that is designed and built by gaming professionals and professional gamers.